Thukuru wa Imwana wa Baricho uria wi kauntiini ya Kirinyaga niguo utongoretie thiini wa kaunti Maumirira-ini ma kigeranio gia Kcse kia mwaka wa 2023. Akiaria hindi ya gukungwira Maumirira maya mathaa manini tu thutha wa minista wa githomo Ezekiel kurekereria Maumirira maya, principal wa thukuru uyu Bernard Mwangi niatugiritie arutwo aria marekire wega kigeranio-ini giki kia mwaka muhituku.
Ngenda go appreciate the team of teachers who are here with me, the non-teaching staff, the BOM, the parents, the sponsor, TSC and the ministry officials.
Mwangi ugete Maumirira maya ni magukenerera kuona ni marahotire kunyita Miniscore ya 9.27 ukiringithania na mwaka muhituku kuria manyitire Miniscore ya 8.6.
From the drop that we had last year, 8.6 to 9.27, almost 9.3.
Na kwa Kauntiini ya Pokoti Ithũĩro onathengia wa moritũ maingĩ ma ũhaguku wa ũgitĩri, ũnyihu wa ũgitĩri na ng'aragu ya mahinda kwa mahinda, thukuru nyingĩ gĩcigo kĩu nĩ cirĩkĩte wega kĩgeranio gĩkĩ kĩa mwaka wa 2023. Thukuru ici ni hamwe na thukuru wa Kimabururi wa Chewoyet Ukinyita Miniscore ya 9.7, thukuru wa Kapenguria na Nasakolo Ukinyita Miniscore ya 7.8.
Performance, we want to thank God kwa sababu ya performance ambayo ametupatia. When we compare it with last year's performance, this year we have scored a mean of 8.7, which is a B plus against 8.3 of last year. That's a positive deviation of 0.4.
Kauntiini ya Mombasa thukuru wa Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed arutwo arutani hamwe na aciari ni matirahitha gikeno kiao thutha wa thukuru wa Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed kwandikithia Maumirira mega guku thukuru-ini wa Light Academy magikenera uhatani wa arutwo ao kigeranio-ini kia mwaka wa 2023.
Expect to do a 9.5 or above. Yeah, alhamdulillah, already the 8 A's are more than what we got last year. Last year we managed 7, so this means there are good things still trickling in.
Onyitaneri wa arutwo arutani hamwe na aciari ni ugwetetwo ta gitumi kinene Maumirira-ini maya, arutani anene makiuria ngwataniro ino irume makiria niguo kugacirithia githomo.
Ilikuwa ushirikiano. The results that we have achieved is because of teamwork. Tulifanya kazi kwa umoja kama walimu, tukafanya kazi kwa umoja kama wanafunzi, support staff, and all the stakeholders actually supported us so that for us to achieve these results.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Ndung'u.